That chicken will never be a decent soccer player, though she'd fit right in with your lousy Adventure Bay team.
Lousy? Adventure Bay could beat Foggy Bottom any day.
How about today? Oh, and let's make the losing mayor wear the other town's shirt. Agreed?
Agreed.
Rubble! On it! Zuma!
You know what to do.
Oh, no!
Now that's not how to inflate a ball, you silly kitten. Luckily, I have another one. Left, right. Yikes!
Sky, I need your wings to get up and grab that cat. Marshall, X-ray the ball and see what makes it fly.
It's electronic. It's a remote-controlled soccer ball.
Marshall, grab the kitten and kick that ball into the bay.
You got it, Ryder. 1, 2, 3.
Great job, pups. The game is tied. Got another rocket kick, Marshall?
Oh, you saved Adventure Bay's honor.
My good pups did it. Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help.
Yay! Robo Rusty.
Tag, you're it.
Morning, guys.
Oh, hi, Ruby.
Rusty, are you ready to go rustify the playground? I'm so excited. It will probably have rockets on the swings by the time you're done.
Oh, no. I forgot that was today. Can it wait until later? Botasaur and I are playing the best game of tag ever.
But lots of kids are already waiting there to see all the cool things you'll do.
It's just, we're having so much fun.
But only you can rustify the playground.
I know, big guy. Don't worry. I'll be back soon.
Aww, that's so sad. Too bad there aren't 2 of you.
Wait a second. Maybe there can be.
What? Really?
I think I know how to make 2 Rusties.
Awesome!
Let's combine it.
And design it.
We'll start with an old moon buggy
Of course it'll need a body.
and lots of tools. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. Introducing Robo Rusty. Woohoo! Hello, Rusty.
Hello, Rusty.
We're like twins. See, Ruby? 2 Rusties. Problem solved.
Robo Rusty does seem pretty awesome.
Let's kick this into gear.
Cool!
He's super cool. And since he's just like me, he should have no problem rustifying the playground at the park. Right, Robo Rusty?
You bet your strobit.
All right. This might actually work. Come on, Robo Rusty.
Time to bolt.
Okay, big guy. I've got a perfect new game for us to play. But first, I've got to build it.
Where's Rusty? This is Rusty. Robo Rusty.
You bet your Rivets.
Whoa. Huh? Don't worry. He's just like Rusty, only shinier. Okay, Robo Rusty, there's the playground. Can you rustify it? You know, make it more fun.
Modify, customize, rustify.
What?
Rustify, rustify,
Oh boy, that can't be good.
rustify, rustify,
Where's he
rustify.
going? Wait! Robo Rusty, bring the playground back!
There. Presenting the Mobile Bow 9000. Perfect for the best game of fetch ever. Get it, boy! Hours of fun. Rusty's glove. This is Rusty.
Rusty, there's something wrong with Robo Rusty.
Oh, are his wheels sticking? I was worried about that. Try...
No, it's a bigger problem than that. He picked up the entire playground and ran away with it.
Okay. Be right there. Keep playing. I'll be back. Whoa! There's no playground at the playground.
Whew, this is bad. Very, very, very bad.
Don't worry. I'm sure we can fix this. I'll just call Robo Rusty and tell him to come back. Robo Rusty, this is real Rusty. Come in. Hi, Me. So, what exactly were you doing over there?
And where's the playground?
Let's kick this into gear.
Which means...
I think we're about to find out. Uh-oh.
He turned the playground into a giant robot.
That's not exactly how I would have rustified that... What do you even call that?
Playground improvement 5,000. Awesome, right? Dudes.
Where's it going? Sorry about that.
Sorry.
You're welcome. It just keeps going.
We've got to stop it.
And before it causes more big problems.
I got this, Ruby.
Go, Rusty!
Help! It's too big and powerful. I can't stop it alone.
I'm coming! Help! Help! Liam! What are you doing in there? Well, I was taking a nap, but then the place had turned into a giant robot. Wait a minute. This must be a dream. And it's awesome! Go, giant playground robot! Woohoo!
It's not working.
We're not strong enough to stop it. New plan! New plan! It's stomping away with Liam.
Okay, Ruby, I've got a new plan. You grab a trampoline. That'll be for Liam.
I'm on it.
And Robo Rusty, I need your help. It's time to stop a playground.
Let's combine it and design it. Time to bolt and get some gears turning. This.
Robo Rusty, you can use my multi-tool to clamp onto the Playground Improvement 5000.
You bet your drill bit.
With your added robot strength, we'll be strong enough to stop it together.
Together, we're strong. Enough.
Okay, I've got the trampoline. Now what?
Here's the plan. Robo Rusty and I are going to stop the PI 5000 with my grappling hook. And when we do, you move in with the trampoline and get Liam down. Time to bolt.
Let's kick this into gear.
Yes!
Whoa! Rusty is a robot now. This is the weirdest dream ever.
Launch grappling hook, Robo Rusty. Pull! It's slowing, stopped. Ruby, trampoline.
Liam, go down the slide. We'll catch you on the trampoline. Slide? Trampoline? Sure, why not? It's a dream. Whoa! Quick, Liam. It's okay. I'm here. Okay. Whee! Woohoo! Rusty, I got him.
Okay, Robo Rusty. Pull!
Woohoo! Best dream ever. Liam, this isn't a dream. It's really happening. It's real? That's awesome!
We did it!
Woo-hoo, we did it!
And now we can rustify the playground the right way. And this time I'll be here to do it with you. Like I should have in the first place.
Let's kick it into gear. Presenting the Playground Improvement 500.
With new super sliding action and rocket-powered swings. Try it, everyone!
I think they like it. The Rustified Playground is a hit.
You mean the Rustified and Robo Rustified Playground. Nice work, Robo Rusty. Give it 5.
Woo-hoo.
Let it ride.
Calling all trains! Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission! Today's mega mission goes to Mechanic Milo!
Chugga chugga, yes!
You'll get to pick up the roller coaster cars from Port Station and deliver them to the Milo coaster tracks.
And then the Milo coaster will be ready to roll. Terrain tracks ho!
Now you're ready to make tracks!
Ahoy, Skipper!
Ahoy, Mechanic Milo and Nico. I know just what brings them here. Roller coaster cars!
Let's get these cars to the roller coaster.
Woohoo!
Ah! Good to go, Nico? What? You already went! I'm coming for you, Nico! Good, because this is kind of like riding a roller coaster, and I really don't like roller coasters! Ah! Where am I going now? Donkey Kong sound! Beep, beep, beep! Time to make tracks!
Thanks for coming so quickly.
That's a steep drop. Marshall, set up your ladder so you can reach Hootie. Then Rocky can repair the branch.
Ladder!
Hang on, Hootie. I'm coming.
Hey! Whoa! I'm good. Huh?
Zuma, I need you to bring your hovercraft. Marshall may need some water support.
I'm ready to dive in.
Whoa! Hang on, Hootie.
You need to brace that tree, fast.
I'm on it. Pincer arm. Perfect.
Okay, Marshall, come on back now.
Outstanding owl saving, Marshall.
Thanks, Captain Turk. Whoa! 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 Buoy! Whoa!
Phew! Nice catch, Marshall.
Ryder, thanks for helping me rescue Hootie and for rescuing me.
You know what they say, Marshall? Whenever you're in trouble,
Just yell for help.
Rusty's Kitty Catastrophe. Great fetching, boy.
I'll set my kitty catapult 3500 to maximum power this time. See if you can get this one.
Good job, Botasaur. Sorry, big guy. The kitty catapult can't fetch. It's not a real cat.
Wait, what if we made a robot friend for Botasaur?
Great idea.
Botasaur, want a new friend?
Let's combine it.
And design it.
We'll start with the kitty catapult 3500. Then add some robot legs for paws.
And last but not least, I'll add a Meow Maker chip to make her perfect.
Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. Whiskers 9000.
Oops, had it set to frog instead of kitty. Meow, meow. That's more like it. What a cute little kitty. So adorable.
Best friends already.
Wait, Botasaur, slow down.
You're scaring Whiskers. It's okay, Botasaur. You didn't mean to scare her. She was probably frightened by your big dino size.
She's already too far away for me to track her Meow Maker chip.
If I were a robotic kitty cat, where would I go?
We need someone who knows all about animals, like Ranger Anna. Think you can find her?
I've tracked big cats before, but not giant metal ones. Aha! Smells like she was right here. Oh! Then she went that-a-way.
Good work, Ranger Anna.
Just walk this way. Oh, we're getting very close. I can smell it. Aha!
Hi, Anna.
Oh, hi, Liam. Any chance you've seen a runaway kitty cat robot? She's about yay big.
You mean that kitty cat robot? I named her Furball. I've always wanted a giant robotic kitty cat. Wow, she's really sound asleep.
Approach her very slowly and use only soothing voices.
Here, Whiskers, Whiskers, Whiskers. It's working. Nice, Whiskers.
Botasaur, stop! You need to go slow around Whiskers. You scare her when you get too excited.
She's headed towards town. Come on!
Bye. Good luck with little Furball. Here, Whiskers, Whiskers, Whiskers.
Whiskers?
Whiskers.
I think we're getting close. Oh, hiya, Officer Carl. Seen any giant robotic kitty cats around?
Nope, not today. I've been at the library, catching up on a little light reading. But I'll keep a lookout. Nothing gets past me. Ooh.
Look! There she is!
Where? Which way did she go? Officer Carl is on the case.
Huh.
There she is.
Botasaur, remember, you don't want to... scare her. We lost her again.
No, we didn't. Whiskers is back at the yard. Let's go.
Good boy, Botasaur. Nice and calm.
Oh, Botasaur, you were so sweet that time. I think she's just afraid of your size.
Maybe we can make Botasaur look a little more cat-friendly.
Ta-da! Now Kittybot is sure to play with you.
Okay, you're up, Botasaur.
It's working!
That is one scaredy cat. Where'd she go? Wait, there she is! Halfway up Planter's Peak! Wow, she's fast.
She acts just like a real cat.
Yeah, but how do we get her back down?
I can fly up there in our Rescue-matic Power Plane 9000, but how do I get her to follow me back?
Leave that to me. I think like a cat.
Meow.
That should do it. One gigantic kitty toy, sure to make a gigantic kitty bot chase after it.
Ready for takeoff.
Bring back our whiskers!
Aha! There you are. One super fun Whiskers toy coming your way. Here, Whiskers, Whiskers, Whiskers! Oh no, Whiskers is stuck. Rusty, she needs help.
We're on our way.
We?
Faster, Botosaur, faster! Don't worry, Whiskers. We're here to help.
All right!
Great job, Botosaur. Looks like Whiskers thinks so, too.
Aww. Looks like you made a new friend, Botosaur.
Yep, Whiskers just needed to learn that great big robot dinos also have great big hearts.
Well, looks like my work here is done. Another robotic kitty cat rescued. That would make a total of 1. But before I go, can I play a little too?
Yeah. Of course.
Calling all trains! Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission! Today's mega mission goes to... Mechanic Milo! You get to pick up the last giant T-Rex bone from Port Station, deliver it to Museum Station, and then put the T-Rex together in time for the dinosaur exhibit's grand opening.
There's no way I'd miss this Dino Bone adventure.
Now you're ready to make tracks!
Tug a Dino!
Dino Bone aboard!
Yikes! Look out, Cody! We lost the Dino Bone! Got it! Eagle! Caught Milo, not the bone! Sorry, guys.
Hey, look at that! A giant flying bone!
A giant flying bone! It's gonna land on Museum Station! This is gonna be close! Got and delivered!
We have to help the mayor get ready for the tree dedication ceremony.
Oh, Ryder, I am so relieved you're here.
We've got this, Mayor. Rubble, finish up digging.
On the double! My mini patrol can help.
Okay, thanks, Alex. I need you and your team to keep the crowd back so no one gets hurt.
Okay, Ryder.
Mini Patrol. Keep everyone safely back. Nothing to see here, folks.
Great job, buddy.
Here you go, Hootie. Hey, where's Turtle?
I saw him running off that way.
Ryder! Pups! Help!
Rubble, can you get your shovel in there?
Shovel! Woof, woof! Sorry, my shovel can't fit between those bars. Wait, I know.
Good thinking, Alex. Okay, bring him up. Hold it. Great job, Alex. That was a real rescue. Whenever you're in trouble, just yell for help.
Rusty's Rex Rescue.
And the bits go wild in the stands as Ruby guards the net, ready for anything. All right, show me what you've got, Rusty.
Oh, it is on. I'll show you exactly what I've got, Ruby. Presenting the one and only Kick-O-Matic 3000! Nice and easy now. Whoa! Okay, I might need to make a few adjustments.
And we might need to find a new ball while we're at it. Hey, Spike found it. And popped it again.
Huh? Good fetch, Bites. Good boy.
Oh no, the Kick-O-Matic. Bites broke it.
Nah, it'll take more than a little dent to break the Kick-O-Matic 3000. Watch. Come on, Kick-O-Matic, let's go. Well, you know what I always say. There's nothing broken that can't be fixed. Here's the problem. A burnt-out microchip. Without a new one, the Kick-O-Matic can't move.
Hey, I've got one just like this.
Let's get back to the Rivet Lab.
Hey guys! Hey guys!
Hi, Liam. What's up?
You've got to check this out. Prepare yourselves to be so amazed, so afraid, so in awe. Oh, wait, hold on. His name is Tyrannosaurus Ralph. Pretty ferocious, huh? Wow, that is a pretty awesome dinosaur, Liam. Want to play with him?
That sounds like fun, buddy. But right now, we've got some fixing to do.
Can I help? Can I? Huh? Can I? Please?
You know, maybe you can help.
Yes. Is there a button I can push? I'm really good at pushing buttons. Can you keep Bites busy while we fix the Kick-O-Matic?
Yeah, Bites would love a good game of fetch.
I can do that. Let's go. Okay, Bites. Let's find something in the recycling yard that a Robo Doggy would want to play fetch with. You wouldn't even believe how far I can throw stuff. What? You don't believe me? It's easy. All you gotta do is wind up, look at the target, and throw! See, I told you I can throw stuff. What have I done? Tyrannosaurus Ralph! Ralph! Where are you? Speak to me! Is he up there? Hang on, Ralph! I'll save you! tossing you up here. Still friends? Thanks, Ralph. Whoa, this is way higher than I thought. Okay, that's not good. And done. One new microchip ready to go.
Okay, now for the tricky part. Ray, how about some light? Crush, screwdriver. Whirly, pliers. Chocolate milk. Thanks, Jack. Now for the most delicate finishing touch. One wrong move, and I mess up everything.
Whoa! What was that? Liam! Liam! Where are you?
Bites, where is he, boy?
Liam! Hi. Oh, no! Liam, are you okay?
How'd you get up there?
It's totally not my fault. Ralph went up here and I had to save... Whoa! Help!
Don't move, Liam!
Bites! This is no time to run away. Keep still, Liam. We'll have you down in no time. How are we gonna get him down in no time?
Well, the pile's too unstable for us to climb up there. And using a ladder would only push it over.
I know. Let's get some bits on the fix.
Fire, Jack! Reach, Crush! Almost there, Ray! Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work.
We can't play fetch right now, boy. Besides, that's way too big. I need a giant magnet to lift it.
That's it! We can use the magnet crane! It's definitely tall enough to reach Liam. Come on!
Okay, I'll just wait right here.
Time to bolt!
That's right. This way. You're all good. Okay, we're almost there. Just a little bit more. Stop! It's not going to work. The crane's too wide to fit through.
Huh. We don't have time to move that stuff out of the way either. We need another idea.
Whoa! You guys better hurry. Ralph is super duper scared. Ralph! That's it! Let's combine it
And design it. We've got to get Liam down with something that's tall, but not too scary. If we start with car parts from the yard,
and we use the Kickomatic's super tall legs.
and then we add the big metal scoop Bites found to carry Liam down. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The one, the only, Botasaur! All right, let's see what he can do.
But maybe a little too lifelike. Let's try something safer.
Cute, but maybe a little too cute.
Hey, I think I've got it. You know how Bites is always looking for someone to play with? Well, check this out.
Wow, great job, Ruby.
Twice the puppy, twice the fun, right?
Totally. All right, Botasaur, let's go save Liam.
Ralph, no matter what happens, I promise I'll never, ever let go of you again. Are you Ralph's daddy?
Hey, Liam, need a lift?
Rusty, I knew you'd save me. Sweet ride.
Thanks, buddy. Hop in.
Well, I guess I've been in weirder places. Whee! We did it! Way to go, Botasaur! That was so awesome, you guys! And Ralph has something he'd like to say. That means thank you in dinosaur.
You're welcome, Ralph.
I'm glad Bites finally has someone to play with.
Now, where's he off to?
Oh no, now there's two of them who want to play fetch.
Twice the puppy, twice the fun. Right, Ruby?
Yep.
Rock's beam scheme. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to Build It Brock. Gosh, that's me. Bugle Bridge is broken, and Penny and the kids are stuck. You need to pick up building supplies at Building Yard Station and deliver them to Bugle Bridge to fix it.
And I'll come along to make sure your engine runs smooth. It's a very heavy load.
Now you're ready to make tracks.
Wow, those things are huge.
Now let's go fix that bridge. Bye, Dusty. Bye, guys. Ooh, drive carefully. I'll fix that up when I get back. Sorry. Thanks. Maybe we could use the bridge parts.
That's one marvelous mini bridge.
Now let's try it out.
We did it!
Next stop, Bugle Bridge. Done and delivered.
Hi, Alex. What's up?
Ryder, I lost my tooth.
Congratulations.
No, I lost it. Then I lost it.
It got stuck in a carrot, and now we can't find it anywhere.
Alex, we'll be right there. Hey, Alex. Hi, Mr. Porter. We'll have that tooth found in no time. Chase, send your drone to search the playground.
Yes, sir, Ryder, sir. Rawr, drone.
Alex, Mr. Porter, the drone found it.
More munchies, my marine mammal mates?
Wait, Captain Turbot. Alex's tooth landed in your bucket.
It did?
Ryder,
Ryder, do you think we can still find it underwater?
You bet, Alex. And I know just the pup for the job. Thanks for hurrying, Zuma. Alex's tooth got stuck in a carrot, and the carrot's caught in a bucket that fell in the water.
Ryder, the bucket!
Good eye, Alex.
There she blows!
Yay! I'm on it. Come on, dude, share. Brewy. Whoa! Hurry, Ryder. Good catch.
You okay, buddy? I'll take that as a yes.
Ta-da!
My tooth! Hooray! Now I can put it under my pillow tonight.
Wonderful. Thank you, Ryder.
Rusty's Park and Fly. A couple more bolt twists on the turbo trike and we're done here, Ruby.
Perfect! It's almost time to cheer on Mr. Higgins in the remote control plane race. Whirly's pretty excited. The Bits want to show us their cheer routine.
Cool. We just need a minute. Whoa! Or we can watch it now. Show us what you've got, guys. Are you guys okay?
Mr. Higgins will love it, guys. But you might want to practice the ending.
All right, let's get to the race. Time to bolt.
Look at it go!
Hi, Mr. Higgins.
Oh, hello there, kids.
Is it time for the plane race?
Not yet. You're a little early. I'm just taking my plane out for a test spin, and she's spinning great. Meet the Flying Beagle. One of a kind. Made her myself.
It's awesome!
Crush thinks so too. Come on, Crush.
Check out this really awesome trick I've been practicing. I call it the Double Doodle Flip-a-Paloozle. Huh? Well, that's not good.
What is it, Mr. Higgins?
Is everything okay?
It's not working. I can't steer my plane. Mayday! Mayday! Uh-oh! Look out! Come back, Eagle! Heel! Land, Beagle, land!
Your plane is doing everything but landing.
Oh, dear, what do I do?
When a remote stops working, the first thing I always check is the battery. Ruby, do you have your battery tester attachment for your tablet?
Sure do. The battery's fully charged.
So the batteries aren't the problem.
Then what could it be?
Oh, no!
This is not good. I have an out-of-control plane, and the race starts soon.
Wait! I know. Let's flip it. Instead of looking at the remote,
we should look at the plane. Good idea, Ruby.
Let's get some bits on the fix. Whirly, we need your help. Whirly, can you fly up there and take a closer look at the plane?
That's it. Here it comes. Yeah, way to go, Whirly.
All right, activating Whirly Cam. Landing gear looks fine. Wings look good. Wait, what's that?
The antenna's busted. Without it, the plane can't get instructions from the remote. Whirly! Whirly, watch out! Are you okay?
No problem. We'll fix you up when we get back.
Oh no! The plane's headed right for that teeter-totter! Look out!
Nice work pulling that kite out of the way.
Pulling? That's it! What if we just pulled the plane down to fix the antenna?
How?
With my grappling hook.
Hold on a nanosecond. You want to catch my plane with a hook?
Did I say grappling hook? I meant my magnet attachment. Okay, let's do this. Target is in sight. Firing in 3, 2, 1.
I guess that could have gone better.
Changing the battery didn't work. Trying to haul it in didn't work.
What we need is a way to fix the antenna from up there.
Exactly! With a mid-air rescue.
Mid-air rescue? But the Beagle is the only plane we've got, Rusty.
Not for long.
Let's combine it
and design it. First, let's use the turbo trike we were working on at the Rivet Lab.
And the teeter-totter at the park should help keep things steady.
Then we use that old propeller we have in the recycling yard, put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Rescue-matic Power Plane 9000! It's time to fly. All I need is a co-pilot.
I'll do it!
I knew I could count on you, Crush.
Good luck, Rusty! Good luck, Crush!
Yeah!
All right, Crush. Keep your eyes open. There it is. Flying Beagle at 12 o'clock. Whoa, make that 6 o'clock. Hang on, Crush. I'm gonna line our wings up.
Easy.
Yes! Hey, Ruby, we've made contact.
Nice work. And now that the tricky part's done, time for the really tricky part.
Okay, Crush. You need to replace that busted antenna with the new one. Got it? Come on, Crush. You can do it. Almost there. Steady now. You made it!
Crush, Operation Antenna Swap complete.
They did it! Now give the remote a try, Mr. Higgins.
All righty. Hold on, Crush. It's time for the double doodle flip-a-paloozle. It works!
Just in time for the race.
Wow! Nice flying, Captain Crush!
Now I'll just set her down.
You did it!
Did it!
Who's ready to race to the race?
Yeah!
Mr. Higgins!
Got it! Yeah, where did Crush go?
Rusty?
I should have known.
All right, go, go, go!
Mr. Higgins and Crush are in the lead! Yeah, he won!
Way to go, Mr. Higgins!
We did it! Oh, I can't thank you kids enough for saving my plane.
It was our pleasure, Mr. Higgins.
And I couldn't have done it without my co-captain, Crush. Thanks. You can take the Beagle for a spin anytime you'd like.
Octopus Express. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to Farmer Faye. Yeah. Aww. This is a picture of a baby octopus that showed up at Port Station today. And because Faye's so good with animals, we need her to give the baby from Port Station the beach station. Now you're ready to make tracks.
We'll get you to your family in no time, little big guy. Let's call him Giggles.
I know a train who can rescue Giggles and get him to the beach.
Rescue Rex!